Well, we all know how our earth looks from outside. But what is it inside the earth? To find this, let us slice this earth from the top, moving from North Pole down to the South Pole, and see what is inside this earth. Well, this is how the earth looks from inside. It has three major parts. The outermost layer is the crust. The inner is called the core. The core is further divided into the inner core and the red one, the outer core. And between the core and the outer crust is the mantle, this orange part. You can imagine it like an boiled egg cut into half. The crust becomes the shell of the egg, the white becomes the mantle, and the core is the yolk of the egg. So this mantle in orange is made up of rock so hot that it has melted. The inner core is solid. The outer core, represented here in red, is made up of molten iron, which is on the constant move due to internal heat flow and the rotation of the earth in anti-clockwise direction. This rotation causes an electric current, and this core acts as a electromagnet. Hence we say that the earth is acting as a huge magnet whose poles are aligned to the north and the south pole. We will see whether this south of this magnet is aligned to the north pole or to the south pole. Have you noticed this reverse polarity? The south pole of the internal magnet is actually pointing towards the north pole of the earth, and the north pole of the magnet points towards the south of the earth. And you know why the compass needle always point towards the north of the magnet? Because the compass needle is also made up of magnet, and its north pole is actually getting attracted towards the south of the magnet, which is near the north pole. It is not the other way around. The magnet is not aligned like this. The magnet of earth is not aligned like this. It is the south of the magnet of the earth is aligned towards the north pole. It is bit reverse. And you know how the volcanoes are erupted? The molten rocks inside the mantle sometimes sweep through the cracks of the outer crust and comes out as volcano, which we call as lava. When this lava cools down, it becomes a stone.